Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 model Ford Territory Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 8K kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained, ending plate 8, panoramic sunroof, keyless entry, power seats, 360 camera, climate control, hill start assist, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 838,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 85,000 pesos. Chattel and insurance all included. (2019 model Subaru XV Eyesight, top of the line, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 34K kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with updated records, plate ending 9, reverse camera and sensors, panoramic sunroof, infotainment display, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 858,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 222,000 pesos. Chattel and insurance all included. (2021 model Honda CR-V S, sensing technology, 1.6-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 52K kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained at Honda Show, plate ending 9, infotainment display, genuine leather seats, dual-zone automatic climate control AC, parking brake, power tailgate, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 1,168,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 299,000 pesos. Chattel and insurance all included. 2017 model Ford Everest Titanium Plus, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 58k kilometers mileage, first owned, panoramic sunroof, plate ending 7, parking sensors, touchscreen head unit, 20-inch fuel mags and tire, cruise control, automatic tailgate, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 898,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 230,000 pesos. Chattel and insurance all included. (2020 model Jeep Renegade Longitude, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 22k kilometers mileage, casa maintained at Cat's Motor, plate ending 2, push start, sunroof, moonroof, auto climate, multimedia controls, touchscreen head unit, premium fabric seat, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 968,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 144,000 pesos. Chattel and insurance all included. (2021 model Toyota Rush E, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 34k kilometers mileage, first owned, ending plate 9, 7-seater, upgraded leather seats, push start engine, climate control, touchscreen head unit, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 748,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 84,000 pesos. Chattel and insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.